Ano yan?
안녕하세요. My name is Sejin and I'm the leader of SB.
Ano to? Wala.
Actually,
Nag-cringe na ako. Wala pa. Parang feeling ko sobrang cringe.
ang sarap lang isipin na nasa isang lugar ka, tapos kinakanta ng lahat ng tao ng mga bagay na tumakbo sa isipan mo. Seeing how they can relate to it, how it affected their lives is just amazing.
Naku, ako yan.
Hi, I'm Josh of SB19. Doon ko na-realize, ito yung gusto ko. I didn't want to go down. I told myself, someday I will become one of the most influential artists in the world.
Influential artist.
Hopefully we had it.
Pero yun pa rin ako.
안녕하세요. SB19 Magna Justin.
Bakit?
Hello, I'm Justin, the youngest member of SB19. When I was a little kid, when I was performing a lot for student festivals, such as dancing, joining the choir, stage acting. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Hi everyone! Magandang araw po.
Nangangampan niya.
Ano ko na sa sarili ko ng pagsayo.
Oh my God!
Pinakawakan ko sa pangarap ko.
Research mo ba nila?
What's up, guys? This is Kid 19.
Uy, cup ko yan.
Pero parang mas tumaba ka ngayon, no?
First, I thought
Mas mapayat ka dyan, eh.
based on our case what I do.